Hello viewers, you are welcome to this program. This is YTShare Mobility, a program on vehicle management, common causes of road accident, vehicle maintenance and general safety tips. We shall talk on motor vehicles. Motor vehicles, as we know, use different types of oil. We have the gear oil, hydraulic oil, that is the brake oil. We have the engine oil, we have grease, we have the mother of all, that is the petrol. We shall focus this program on engine oil. Engine oil is crucial for the proper functioning of an internal combustion of engine. It could be grinding mills, it could be heavy duty generators and other engines. So engine oil is very crucial. We have different type of engine oil in the market. That is the total engine oil, the mobile engine oil, the corn oil engine oil. We have a lot of them in the market. But for the purpose of this program, I want you to understand one thing. That is, if your vehicle, the one you choose to use, just continue using that particular type of engine oil. Do not change from one company to another. Using the same engine oil throughout your vehicle, or every time you want to change, you use the same engine oil, your vehicle lifespan will be longer. And while changing engine oil, is it when the engine is cold, warm, or hot? The simplest answer here is when you want to change your engine oil, your vehicle must be warm. That is, if your vehicle has been parked the following day, you want to change your engine oil, you must start the vehicle, warm the engine at least for 1 minute before changing your engine oil. This is because when the engine is warm, all the engine oil will be drained out of the vehicle. It will be light and it will go out completely. So the next engine oil that is coming in, it will be fresh and new. And if you do not change your engine oil as when due, you will be experiencing some different kind of sound. The sound of your vehicle will change. You will be having some odors of the engine oil. You will see that the emission that is from the exhaust pipe, it will be black. The smoke will be black. This will tell you that your engine oil is overdue. So it is always very important to change your engine oil as when due. For you to know when to change, we have the manufacturer manuals. The particular kilometer you are to cover. Once you change, you write the kilometer. And once you cover the number of kilometers, either 11,000 kilometers, 15,000 kilometers, 8,000 kilometers, 4,000 kilometers, depending on the manufacturer recommendation that you are to cover or your vehicle are to cover before changing the engine oil. So we shall discuss the importance of engine oil to an engine. 1. Lubrication. Engine oil lubricates moving parts, reducing friction and wear. These prevent early engine damage and ensure a longer lifespan of your vehicle. 2. Cooling. It helps in cooling heat generating during engine operation, preventing overheating and damage to your engine. 3. Cleaning. Engine oil carries away dirt, debris, and contaminants from the engine. 4. Sealing. It forms a protective film on engine components, preventing leakages. These are the importance of engine oil to a vehicle. The next one is consequences of neglecting the use of engine oil or improper use of engine oil. 1. Engine damage. Insufficient or dirty oil can lead to increased friction, causing components to wear out quickly and potentially resulting in engine failure. 2. Overheating. Without proper lubrication and cooling, the engine can overheat, causing further damage and potential breakdown. 3. Increased emission. Neglected engine oil can result in higher emissions due to inefficient combustion. 4. Expensive repairs. Neglecting engine oil can lead to costly repairs or complete engine replacement. Regular oil change and using the manufacturer recommended oil type are essential to ensure your engine lasts long and effective performance on your vehicles. This is very, very important for vehicle owners or heavy-duty generators owners, or some grinding mills. In short, generally engine, anything or any things that use engine, you have to be very careful and you have to maintain proper records of changing engine oil. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Share to others so that they will know. Like, comment, and remain safe. Thank you all for listening.